Polar Running Index is an estimate of your VO2 max, a score you get after every run that helps you see how your running performance improves. As your fitness level gets better, you'll be able to sustain a certain pace at a lower heart rate. A higher running index score tells you that you can run faster with less effort. We use data about your heart rate and pace during your run and combine it with your resting heart rate and maximum heart rate values to estimate your maximal aerobic running performance. Whether you're training for a specific goal or just running to stay fit and healthy, being able to see your progress usually keeps you motivated. The Running Index report in the Polar Flow web service lets you easily monitor your progress and see how your running performance develops over time. As your aerobic capacity and running economy improve, your running index goes up. Polar Running Index is a good predictor of race performance in endurance running. Your Running Index report in Polar Flow can show you an estimate of your finish time for different running distances. You may also find it interesting to compare your running index value to gender and age-related fitness levels. Comparing your running index value to other people's gives you an idea of your own running fitness level, whether you're fitter than average for your age group or if you have some catching up to do. Although you can quite reliably predict your race performance using Running Index, you should not forget the importance of other factors, such as good preparation, optimal running conditions, and determination. We are all human after all.
In my toes and in my shoulders, I've been shaking like I'm colder. In my head, in my eyes, feels like I'm never getting older. I feel so good. You're by my side, you know you would. I feel so fly, I feel so good. You're by my side, you know you would.
Introducing next-generation design Galaxy Fit. Most fitness bands are just functional. The ultra-slim Galaxy Fit is cleverly designed to look good so you can feel good about wearing it. What sets it apart from others is a brilliant, full-color AMOLED touch display and a battery that weighs less and charges more efficiently, so you can keep going longer. Fit is designed to track your stress levels and offer breathing guides to help you reset whenever you need to. while its intuitive interface means you get clearer notifications and preset responses. Simply tap for a quick reply. Fit automatically registers your regular activities day and night. Just hold the side button and track your favorite stretches, exercises, and more than 90 different workouts. When it comes to sleep, Fit analyzes your patterns to help you get the best kind of rest. And when you wake up in a new location, in a new time zone, a dual clock gets there first to help you keep track. Next generation design Galaxy Fit. Feeling good has never looked so good.